So this is the P trap, P pipe, and this is the brass pipe coming from the sink, and everything here seems to be tightened except for here. I applied putty. I thought it might help, but it's still leaking. And notice that this brass pipe actually goes through down here, and there is no washer inside here, because if I put in a washer between these pipes, the length of this brass pipe is too long for it to have a washer here. It's not gonna fit, and if I try to force it, it's gonna leak even more. So I removed the washer because it's just not gonna fit. Because if I try to fit the washer in here, I'm gonna push this whole pipe even further down lower, and there is no more space for this pipe to go further down. And there is something here, some kind of plug. I think it's supposed to be open to clean. I don't know if I should do that. I haven't done that yet. But these appear to be sealed, except for this part only. All these are glued or sealed, I think. So there's no washer here, and there's something here. I don't know what I should do with it. So please help me. Thank you.